Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Today I'm gonna unbox this Kemei. The model number KM 1817. Okay, got two speeds, 1200 milliamp battery as usual. Charging time 2 hours. Operating time 180 minutes. Yo, not really special. I guess it's metal. I'm not that's really sure. Yeah, the manual. Okay, inside comes with a little brush, oil, cable. I guess it's a USB-C. Yeah, it's a USB-C. Okay, and some guide combs. Yeah. Okay, this is the hair trimmer. I guess it's metal. I'm not that sure. Okay. And this blade you cannot zero gap. I guess I'm not that sure. And the blade is not straight. So you can see it's not straight. So USB charging. LCD display, got two speeds. I guess you should press the power button 2 times or something like that. Sound check.
Zaten burayı çok güzelmiş lan arkadaş. Ha? Burayı çok güzelmiş. Hava çok güzel.
This hair trimmer is not for barber, it's for home use. As you can see, it's not that powerful. So for home use, I guess okay. So that's it for the unboxing of this hair trimmer. Peace, man.